Assalamualaikum and hi. In previous video, explanation of tank for cleaning in place is given, and you have known that CIP main components are tanks, pumps, spray devices, heating system, piping and valves. In this video, I will explain pump criteria for CIP. Pump criteria for CIP. CIP remove the salts from the processing plant by circulating the cleaning medium. In the closed circuit at suitable temperatures, sufficient velocity, sufficient chemical concentration, and time. This circulation will not happen efficiently without the presence of pumps. As you can see in this 4-tank system, pumps are used to supply the CIP medium to the processing system, to the processing line, to return the CIP medium to the CIP station, and it is also used for dosing, concentrated chemical to the main pipes. From this schematic diagram, we can say pumps in CIP system act as the heart the heart of CIP. These are three main functions of pumps in CIP system: to supply, to return the CIP medium, and to perform metering and dosing of concentrated chemical. And the generic requirement of CIP pumps are uh, good to have pumps that is heat resistant, chemical resistant, can provide sufficient flow and pressure to create turbulence flow inside the pipe, and can easily detect leakage from the pump body. And the shaft seal is a mechanical type, and for shaft seal, it's good to have a design which can be easily accessed for inspection and maintenance. The construction from the construction is the construction body of the pump is a smooth surface. And for bearings, good to have pumps that the bearing is outside the product area and it is sealed. And then the bearing has self lubricating type. It's a type of self lubricating type. And then good to have pump that can self draining. Alright. And criteria for supply pump are the size of the pump uh, shall provide a sufficient flow and pressure so that turbulent flow can be generated. The size is sufficient to meet desired parameters of spray devices, of tanks or vessels. And pump speed can be controlled with a variable frequency drive, VFD. To meet different requirements of circuits in the system. And good to have pumps that built from 316 sanitary steels, and cleanable pump that have cleanable seals, and the elastomer seals is compatible with soil, cleaning chemicals and temperature. A typical supply pump is centrifugal pumps. Yeah? And now let's look return or scavenge pump. A return pump is used to pump the solution to the cleaning station or to the drain after the solution has flowed through the processing system. Return pump must quickly remove the used solution from the process lines at rate 10% greater than the supply pump. If return pump inefficient, the CIP sequence will be poor, costly, and will not clean the vessel effectively. Return pump must be capable of pumping at 10% greater than supply pump for quick removal, and it can able to do self-priming to avoid cavitation and air locks. And it should have sanitary design, and the pump elastomer is compatible with the salts and cleaning chemicals. And typical pump type for the return pump is centrifugal pump with cleanable seals, or liquid ring pump, which allow pumping of air and liquid without damage to the pump. Now let's look metering or dosing pump. Okay, this pump is used to add cleaning chemical or disinfection chemical to a tank or to the main pipes. This will prevent employee exposure to corrosive chemicals. And good metering or dosing pump can add chemical automatically, and it can dose accurately. Shall have a sanitary design, and the typical type of pump that been used for metering or dosing pump is peristaltic pump or air operates diaphragm pumps. This is example of diaphragm pump. Okay, so let's look factors that may affect your pump sizing. To properly size and specify pump for CIP system, you need to know how much flow rate needed, how much pressure needed, and how long the CIP circuit, and what type of processing equipment to be cleaned. And pump sizing calculation are using the same engineering design principle. Okay, so pumps in CIP system maintain the products, cleaning chemicals and water flow through the CIP circuits during each phase of cleaning. Uh, that's it for now for pump. All right. I hope this video provide you a good background of pump for CIP. And for the calculation, you need to refer engineering, process equipment design, process equipment design, the other subject. All right, where those principle can be used for calculation of for you to do the pump sizing. Okay, shall we meet in the next video, inshallah, in the other topics. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.